Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. I picked up 8 of the Color Splash lipsticks. I got some names that were beachy to me and the ones that might look good on my skin tone. And the shades that I did pick up, these are the 4 shades that I picked up. Beach Babe, Escape, Surfs Up, and Island Light. 2 shades that I picked up are Vacay and Cruising, and the last 2 shades that I picked up were Yachting and Berry Mojito. I did use 2 of these shades for work this week and I really like the pigmentation. So when you open up the box, this is what the packaging looks like. It is this marble blue tube. It is so beautiful, and when you open it up, it does have this gold detailing in it, and when you twist it up, it does have the lipstick there. I love this gold detailing that Tarte added, and I love this cute marble blue tube. This product retails for $21 at Sephora.com. That's where I picked up all 8 of my shades. This lipstick was supposed to be exclusive to VIB and VIB Rouge members on Sephora.com, but I did recently see these on the Tarte website. They are available on Tarte.com if you are not VIB or VIB Rouge at Sephora, so they are available at Tarte.com for you to pick up. I did try 2 of these shades out for work this week, and I did notice that applying it on, it was so smooth, very pigmented when you put it on the lips, but then after an hour or so, it does kind of fade away. There's a little picture that I took of the wide amount of ranges that they do have. There are 24 shades, and they're very pigmented. They don't last a long time. I would like it to last for like an 8-hour shift, but it does kind of come off when you are eating and drinking, so definitely be aware of that. So let's jump into the swatches. The first shade that we are going to be trying out is the shade Surfs Up. Super cute. Just going to swatch it on the back of my hand as normal. When you swatch it on the back of your hand, it is so pigmented, so creamy. Out of all 8 of the shades that I did pick up is the shade Yachting. You guessed it, I love this shade. I would definitely pick up another tube of this because I know I will go through the shade Yachting because this is one of my favorite shades. I love it. It is this first one right here. It is so buttery, so smooth, so pigmented. I love this shade. The shade that was my least favorite, you guessed it again, was the shade Beach Babe. This kind of washed me out. I didn't really like how this shade looked on my skin tone. This would go back. I don't like this color. It doesn't suit my skin tone at all. But overall, these shades are amazing. They're creamy, they're pigmented, they're not going to stain your lips. They are beautiful lipsticks. The only thing that I don't like is that it does kind of wear off throughout the day, about 2-3 hours into your day. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.